Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So this is our reading for Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Ito po ay ang career and love reading for Libra. Para ito sa buwan ng May hanggang June 2024. Okay, magsisimula tayo sa career. And then, isusunod natin yung love reading. Hopefully, ay makarelate ka, makaresonate ka sa mga sasabihin ko. Kung hindi, okay lang yon, wag ipilit. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. And pwede kang magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba, guys. Yung nagpa-personal reading is my friend. Hindi ako yon, ha? So, kaibigan ko yon. Ini-endorse ko lang siya kasi hindi pa ako open sa personal reading. Okay, let's start. This is for the sign of Libra for the month of May going to June 2024. Okay, Knight of Wands and the Two of Wands. Career muna tayo, guys. Nakaamoy ako ng sigarilyo, Yossi. I don't know if you are smoking while reading or dyan sa lugar kung nasaan ka, pwedeng may nag-i-smoke or katatapos lang mag-smoke. Ayan, pwedeng ganun. Anyway, you do have here the Five of Cups, the Page of Cups, the Two of Wands, and the Knight of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Okay. Someone, maybe a friend, nakakita tayo ng plano mula sa taong ito. And this person, maybe a friend or the Page of Cups and the Five of Cups. Eto ha, dalawa yung nakikita ko. Yung isa is paparating sa'yo and this could be a friend or maybe hindi mo pa kilala pero definitely there would be friendship na mabubuo sa inyo. Okay, so may taong paparating sa'yo. Or yung iba naman, this could be a person, a friend mo na, and then this person is planning to see you, planning to travel para makita ka. Okay? Or planning something na, you know, sa una parang dadating lang as para magkakilala or makita ka. But this person is paparating sa'yo, tapos there could be something na share niya regarding sa plano niya, regarding sa career, and this could help you or maybe something na mabubuo sa'yo pagdating nitong taong to. Either matulungan ka sa career mo na or may ma-share siya sa yung plano or ma-share siya sa iyo sa pagkikita ninyo na pwedeng makatulong para maisakatuparan itong nabubuong career sa iyo in the future. Okay, and the Five of Cups, in the Page of Cups, I can see a person din naman who is actually papaalis sa buhay mo. And ito, dahil sa career siya, pwedeng empleyado, if you have a business, or katrabaho, or if you are self-employed, maybe there's a sideline or hindi masyadong nag-work out na career na sideline na pwedeng I'm seeing notifications from this career. So may mga nagdo-notify and nakikita natin na pwedeng this could be this could be a career na papaalis or maaaring natapos na or patapos pa lang for you. Kasi pwedeng hindi mo magampanan yung responsibilidad mo dito sa bagay na ito. Okay? Para yun doon sa mga sideline. Para naman doon sa iba, maybe this is a employee na nakaalis or paalis na sa'yo. Yung iba kasi pwede nangyari na. And then yung iba naman is pwedeng, yun nga, katrabaho mo na pwedeng paalis. And I can see this person saying goodbye. Yeah, I do have here the Five of Cups. Ngayon, I want to clarify ito mga cards na nandito. For Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. For the sign of Libra, please, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. One last shuffle. Oh. Iba sa inyo, if you're trying to lose weight, nagpapababa ng timbang, nakikita natin medyo yung iba bumababa yung timbang pero hindi nila nahahalata pa sa katawan nila or mahahalata. Medyo pwedeng bumababa yung timbang mo or medyo nababawasan ka pero hindi mo yung nakikita na parang may pagbabago. But definitely, may pagbabago. Okay. Pwedeng hindi, kasi ganun talaga yun, hindi mo agad mapapansin. You do have here the Knight of Cups, King of Cups. Yan. Nine of Blades. Okay. Clarify the Nine of Blades and the King of Cups. El Imperatore. So, punta naman tayo dito. What's with the Five of Cups and the Page of Cups? For the sign of Libra, please. Okay, you do have here King of Wands and the Three of Wands. Okay. Clarify the King of Wands and the Three of Wands. King of Cups is here. Okay. Tatlong king na yung nagpakita, oh. Konti lang yung cards na kinuha ko, pero tatlong king yung nagpakita. And there's this El Alta Sacerdotesa at the bottom of the deck. Ayan, followed by the Queen of Wands. Okay. Punta tayo dun sa person na paparating sa'yo. This person is showing as the El Imperatore. Ayan. Parang walang pakialam. You know, sabi ko nga sa'yo, pwedeng bagong person pa lang. Pwedeng hindi mo pa kilala. Or kung kakilala mo na siya or friend mo na siya, maybe hindi mo nakikita kung ano talagang yung emotions niya, kung ano yung plano niya, or pwedeng walang masyadong communication pa sa inyo. This person with the King of Cups is, you know, a very loving king. This person is someone na madaling kausap, madaling umintindi. Kaya lang sa ngayon, pwedeng hindi pa nangyayari yon dahil nga, pwedeng may pagkakalayo pa sa inyo. That's why I can see pagta-travel. So, pwedeng may pagkakalayo pa or you don't know each other yet. Pero nakikita natin, may mga problema siya ngayon. And possible na itong problem na ito yung nagiging dahilan or magiging dahilan kung bakit kailangan niyang mag-travel or kailangan niyang pumunta sa'yo because, you know, may mga problema siyang hindi mo alam. Okay? And, nakikita niya na or napapansin niya na ikaw yung, para dun sa mga kaibigan mo na tong taong to, no? Pwedeng napapansin niya na or nakikita niya na ikaw yung pwedeng makatulong sa kanya. And as you can see, you have the King of Wands and the King of Coins. Siya meron lang siyang King of Cups, diba? Ikaw nasa iyo ang King of Wands and the King of Coins. This is you. And nakikita natin ito as person na parang nakikita niya na kayang aksyonan, kayang pagdating sa pera, no? Ikaw yung magaling, ikaw yung marunong, ikaw yung mas higit na may alam. Okay? And hindi ko nakikita na parang ikaw yung kailangan niya para tulungan siya sa problema niya, no? But rather, ikaw yung nakikita niyang after nitong problema kong ito, ikaw yung gusto kong makasama, parang ganon, makatandem, pwedeng ganon. And I can see allies, ayan, allies, yung you know, something na pwedeng makatulong, in a way, makatulong na rin dito sa taong to, pero hindi regarding sa problema niya, kasi definitely tatapusin niya muna yung problema niya bago siya dumating sa iyo or bago siya mapunta sa buhay niya, sa buhay mo, tapos na yung problema niya. Okay? For those people naman na paalis sa buhay mo, no, I can see people na paalis sa buhay mo kasi actually, I don't know yet the reason, pero definitely, Kaya aalis. Kasi parang bumisita lang siya sa buhay mo or sa career mo, sa negosyo mo, might be, para magkaroon ng improvement din sa kanya. And at the same time, pwedeng may gusto siyang gawain or puntahan or gawain, and nakikita pa rin naman natin yung pagpapasalamat nitong taong ito. So, tell me about this. Four of Blades, the Ace. Yeah, this person, lalo na with the Ace of Wands and the Star. This is La Stella, this is the Star. No, sa Tarot, this is the Star. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius energy. So, might be, meron siya something na gustong simulan na with the last Stella, ito yung gusto niya talaga. Gusto niya. So, it doesn't mean na alis siya sa buhay mo ay wala ka lang or what. Somehow, naging part ka rin ng sa kung ano yung gusto niyang simulan. The Four of Blades is here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. So, this person, nakikita natin na importante kayo para sa isa't isa or malaki ang naging participation ninyo para sa isa't isa. But, the Justicia, yan, this is you, Libra. This is needed, yung pag-alis nitong taong to, kailangan lang siya para maging mas balance. Ayan, with the Two of Cups, para sa'yo, no? And para din sa kanya. Now, yung pag-alis nitong taong to, with the Queen of Blades, kailangan i-cut off mo or i-let go mo, hayaan mo siya. And, you know, you do have your Knight of Wands. I told you, may paparating or pabalik sa buhay mo. And itong person nito, ang pwedeng mas may gagampanan or may gagampanan na naman sa buhay mo. And you need to focus on yourself dahil sa pagdating nitong taong to. Kailangan ready ka din. Okay? So, focus on what is about to come or who is about to come to your life. Yun na yung sinasabi sa'yo dyan. By the way, Libra, meron tayong Libra Philippines na channel. You might want to check it out. Doon ako nagbibigay ng daily reading for Libra. Almost daily reading. Of course, hindi ko naman mapapromise yung daily talaga. So, almost daily love reading. And meron din career, single, twin flame, soulmate reading, naka-separate yun. Nakalagay naman sa title. Anyway, check it out na lang. Now, punta tayo sa love reading for you, Libra. This is for the month of May going to June 2024. Libra, ano ang paparating sa'yo pagdating sa love for the month of May going to June 2024? Paparating sa'yo pagdating sa love. Spirit guides, angel guides, pagdating sa love. Naghihintay sa mga Libra. Pagdating sa love for the month of May going to June 2024. Paparating sa'yo pagdating sa love for the month of May going to June 2024. Paparating sa love. Two of Pentacles is here, okay. The Fool, okay. And you do have your Wheel of Fortune, dalawang major arcana. And one more card. Ten of Cups. Three of Cups is here. Two of Pentacles, the Fool. I feel like ang priority mo ngayon is regarding this new beginnings, no? Sa buhay mo, sa sarili mo, whether it is new beginning pagdating sa career or new beginning sa sarili mo, kung anong binabago mo sa sarili mo, I'm feeling like this is your priority right now. Pero, with the Wheel of Fortune, the more na naggagawa ka ng pagbabago sa sarili mo, may malaki ding pagbabago pagdating sa love life mo. I can see the Three of Cups. I don't know, this is like a friendly energy. And the Strength card. So, I feel like, kung ano man yung mga nangyari sa buhay mo, it's like your karma. It's like your something na pinapunish. you're being punished right here with the strength card. Kung may kita mo, it's like someone na pinapalo, ano. And this is like your karma na dumating sa buhay mo to punish you. No, sa mga hindi mo magandang ginawa in the past, maybe it's like sampal sa'yo ito para magising ka, o ito, kailangan matutunan lesson sa'yo yan, ginusto mo yan, etc. Okay? Yung iba naman sa inyo, this could be like a training na rin sa'yo dahil I don't know, something is telling me na hindi nagipaganda yung connection mo or relationship mo in the past. Yeah, you played, no? Naglaro ka, or someone here from in your connection ang pwedeng naglaro. So, might be there's third party or pinaglaruan na energy, or ikaw ito na naging immature ka pagdating sa love, masyado kang nagmadali. Some of you ganun ang story. But with the Wheel of Fortune, may malaking pagbabago dito. And tell me about this. Lalo na ikaw ay unti-unti na rin gumagawa ng pagbabago sa sarili mo. And may nakikita tayong malaking pagbabago doon. And ano yon? You do have here the Page of Coins, Queen of Coins, Queen of Cups, and a Page of Blades. Ayan. I want to clarify the Page of Blades. El Diavolo is here. I mean, nakita natin kung paano ka naging mature dito. Page of Coins and the Page of Blades. I can see children or maybe a child. Like, I feel like hindi mo dapat hindi mo dapat, if you're a single mom or single dad, or maybe you do have a child, yung iba kasi not yet single, you know, I feel like, kung ikaw ay nasa isang relationship, na parang, you're dealing with someone who is very immature, hindi mo kailangan mangamba, because someone is eyeing on you, and this person, willing siyang tanggapin, kung ano man yung mga meron ka. No? If you do have a child, or may anak ka na, or you are, nakaamoy ako ng prutas. I don't know kung anong prutas to eh. Hindi ko mabanggit, but maybe you're eating a fruit right now. Habang nanonood sa akin, pwede kumakain ka ng prutas. Hindi ko lang talaga mabanggit kung anong prutas yun. Maybe I don't know that fruit, but I can smell it. No? Yeah, I can smell it. Napakabango. Anyway, this could be a reading. Ayun. There's someone na eyeing on you. Minamata ka na nitong person na ito, and this person is willing to accept itong mga children na ito. Yeah, some of you hindi lang isang anak, but take only what resonates. So willing siyang i-accept itong children na ito, or maybe if he or she ay meron ding anak, and I mean, I feel like regardless kung may mga anak kayo or what, this person is willing to accept you. And yeah, this is showing us the King of Coins. Lumalabas siya as a new person eh. As a new person. The King of Coins, tapos nandito na naman yung King of Wands. Oh guys, I don't know if this person ay may kinalaman din sa career, or is about to come to your life. Tapos may career na involved sa inyo, or maybe business partnership, etc. na magiging involved sa inyo. But this person, actually, nakakita ko ng isda. I don't know, something to do with fish. But, pwedeng itong taon to, may mga problema lang siya ngayon, pero medyo sinusolusyonan or inaayos niya na tong problema na ito. Hindi lang ikaw yung may lesson na natututunan, or may natutunan with regard sa mga previous relationship mo, pero ito ring taong to, may mga lesson din siyang natutunan. And right after the ending nitong mga lessons ninyo, there's definitely big change na possible mangyari. Sabi ko nga, yung nangyari sa'yo in the past, training lang yon para ito sa susunod na relationship or connection for you, magiging mas maganda na ito for you. Kasi alam mo na yung mga dapat gawin, yung mga hindi dapat gawin. Alam mo na kung, it's like, ginawa lang or dumating lang sa buhay mo yung previous person. I'm saying it as a previous, honestly, kung ikaw ay nasa isang relationship pa ngayon, alam mo na yung person mo is immature, alam mo yung person na ito is parang walang pakialam or what, or kung may pakialam man, hindi niya nakikita pa yung future or hindi niya tinitignan yung future, parang wala siyang pakialam sa future, basta ginagawa niya lang yung, dapat niyang gawin or what. I mean, this is not the person for you because I told you, ikaw yung king na nakikita natin kanina sa career pa lang. And ngayon, nagpakita ngayong maraming king na yon. You are the king. You deserve the best. You deserve the best. Okay? And yung person na yon might be, hindi niya kayang ibigay yung best para sa'yo. So, you deserve someone na kayang tapatan yung best na yon. And this someone na tinutukoy natin is coming. Nakarinig ako ng tricycle, guys. I don't know. Maybe you're riding the tricycle or may tricycle talagang dumaan before habang nanonood ka sa akin. Anyway, thank you for watching. Sana nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate. Please do comment down below. Kahit heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay yan sa akin. Maraming salamat. I love you all and bye-bye.